Hi. This is my project, Sliding Gate Automation. This sliding gate is automated in order to reduce the efforts need to open and close the gate for moving two-wheelers in and out of the house. The main component needed to open and close is the motor. I have used one from Oldero water filter. Rack and pinion mechanism is used to drive the gate with motor. Timing belt of car is used to build rack and pinion. This is the pinion made from wood and bicycle parts. The timing belt is nailed over it. For the rack, remaining belt is superglued over the gate. In order to increase torque and reduce speed of the motor, different Xerox machine gear combination was used to achieve desired RPM and torque. And finally the motor was fixed at place with fabricated clamps. For the limit protection, that is, the motor should not work beyond the limits, normally open limit switches are used. To suspend the switches, over the grill, MS metal pieces are used, and welded over the grill, such that they get pressed by the gate, for their respective limits. When the gate is completely closed, the close limit switch gets engaged, and the close push button switch gets disabled. Same happens for gate open condition. This control box have fuse, relays, SMPS with pot to vary speed of motor, receiving module and antenna, for remote application. Push buttons are used for manual operation, transmitter circuit is used to perform task wirelessly. Here goes the working with push button switches. Wireless controlling, this circuit will be placed in bike. Now it get much easier to open and close the gate without getting off from bike. Thanks for watching.